In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your enterprise sales and marketing workflows by integrating Asana with HubSpot. This integration is incredibly powerful, and by the end of this guide, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading to the HubSpot user guide. This is where we'll begin our journey towards a seamless integration. Make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the HubSpot main page, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the marketplace. This is a key step as it houses all of the apps and integrations you can use with HubSpot. You'll find the marketplace icon in the navigation bar, so go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the marketplace, the next step is to look for the apps section. Once inside the marketplace, find and click on the apps option. This will display a plethora of different applications available for integrating with HubSpot. Amidst this collection, we are searching specifically for Asana to bring our project management and CRM efforts together. Once you're in the apps section, it's time to locate Asana. To do that, you'll see a search bar where you can type in Asana. After typing in the name, you will see the Asana app among the search results. This is the moment you've been waiting for, seeing Asana as a selectable option. Click on the Asana app to explore more about how this integration can benefit you. Here you can find additional information about what the app offers and user reviews, which can give you a better understanding of its features and capabilities. Now that you've decided to proceed, the final step is to click Install App. This button is your gateway to integrating Asana with HubSpot. Clicking this will guide you through the installation process, which is typically straightforward. However, ensure that you follow any additional instructions that may appear, as these could be tailored to your specific HubSpot environment. Once the app is installed, you can start syncing tasks, spaces, and project details between Asana and HubSpot. This integration will enable your teams to collaborate more effectively, bridge communication gaps, and ultimately drive more efficiency in your sales and marketing processes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to explore the newly available features and integrations to get the most out of your HubSpot and Asana platforms. Remember, the seamless connection between your CRM and project management tools can be a game changer in keeping your business running smoothly. Stay tuned for more integration tips and tricks.